Don't forget to subscribe. Barney. Barney's ABC Animals.
I like letters from ABC all the way to XYZ. When I count out 1, 2, 3, won't you read along with me? Animals come in every letter. Would you like to know some better? We'll take a look at every name and play my animal alphabet game.
A is for alligator. Her tail is quite long. She splashes the water while I sing a song. Her mouth is quite big. If we look underneath, we'll see rows and rows of pearly white teeth. B is for bear, all fuzzy and brown. He's gotten quite wet and turned upside down. Shaking his body all over to dry, now I'm getting soaked from my toes to my eyes. C is for cat. Oh, he does love to sleep. He can go hours and not make a peep. He suddenly wakes when he hears bow wow wow and stretches while yawning and saying meow. D is for dog. She loves wagging her tail and barking at birds that sit on the rail. And she says hello to the birds on the roof by jumping around and saying woof woof. E is for eagle. Up in the sky. He can see everything flying so high. While watching me wave from down on the ground, the wind on his wings makes a soft soaring sound. F is for frog, who sits in a bog, out at the end of his favorite log. He happily greets every bright butterfly by shouting ribbit as they flutter by. G is for gorilla, king of the apes. He likes to dance as he's eating his grapes. While jumping about on his favorite stump, he beats on his chest with a thumpity thump. H is for hippo, swimming away in her river home most of the day. All of her fish friends swim to the side whenever Miss Hippo opens up wide. I is for iguana. She scurries near the ground. She chases her tail, spinning round and round. She loves to climb trees that match her color green, lounging on a limb, imagining she's queen. J is for jaguar, a spotted jungle cat. He sat on my basket and nearly squashed it flat. Although my picnic basket has lots for us to eat, I hope my jaguar friend will find another seat. K is for kangaroo, who jumps so high. She looks as though she's ready to fly. Bouncing up high, she soars like a rocket as her baby waves down from her tummy pocket. L is for lion, the animal king. Whenever I see him, I just want to sing. Though he wants to join me for one song or more, instead of singing softly, he can only roar. M is for mouse, who's always in a hurry, running quickly everywhere. Oh, how he likes to scurry. But sometimes he'll stop to sneak a little peek and greet his animals around him with a happy squeak. N is for nightingale, sitting in a tree, singing for her forest friends, sweetly as can be. Many think the nightingale has the nicest song. They love to listen to her through the whole day long. O is for octopus, who lives in the ocean. He can move quickly with lots of motion. I think that swimming with my 2 legs is great, but the octopus zips past me because he has 8. P is for porpoise, who wears a happy smile. She loves to swim around her friends, playing all the while. But what she likes to do the most is swim quick as a flash and jump out of the water landing with a splash. Q is for quail, who can hide without fail in brown-colored grass that matches his tail. But even though he can be hard to see, I'll always hear him when he sings to me. R is for raccoon. See the mask on her face? She likes to be tidy, everything in its place. Her tail is ringed with many black bands, and she often likes to wash her very small hands. S is for spider, waving at me. He's woven a web up in a tree. Hearing him run through his strands from afar sounds like he's playing a funny guitar. T is for turtle, who lives in her shell. She walks so slowly, but gets around well. Where she is headed, nobody knows, but she carries her home wherever she goes. U is for unicorn whale, who has a surprise, sitting on his forehead right between his eyes. His horn is quite handy for pointing at things, or playing with me when I toss him these rings. V is for vole. She's fuzzy and small. She likes to live in grass that is tall. A little tunnel is her cozy house. She squeaks, hello, like her cousin the mouse. W is for walrus. He lives in ice and snow. The water there is very cold, but he likes it so. His flippers help him swim quite well, but he hardly walks. See his two big tusks and listen to him talk. X is for X-ray fish, who swim together here. Isn't it surprising that their bodies are so clear? They're the most amazing friends I have ever known, 'cause when I stop and take a look, I can see their bones. Y is for yak, a cousin to the cow. When I first saw her, I shouted, wow! Her horns are the same as a cow's, I must say, but she should get a haircut and do it right away. Z is for zebra, and one little peek tells me he can't really play hide and seek. No matter whatever he hides behind, his black and white stripes make him easy to find.
Ready or not, here I come. Our ABC animals sure have been fun. I'm happy that now you have met everyone.